Morning guys, ayan po ginagawa nila Ayan po ginagawa nila paggawa ng karsada. Ayan po. Morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Yan pala po ang ginagawa nila na nilalagyan pala ng langis ang lahat ng kanilang ginagamit para hindi sa dumikit doon sa mga materyales. No, this is a good idea. So they are putting the oil, everything, the tools that we are using. So is the one way to supporting of the tools. No? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good